The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.